Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on the explanations of the primary group and secondary groups. These are types of groups that exist in society, and they both have a major impact on our lives. Charles Horton Cooley, an American sociologist, viewed people as belonging to two general groups. The primary group consists of people with whom we have strong emotional ties that he referred to as expressive functions. We have long-term relationships with these people, and it is through the primary group that we develop our self-identities, especially as children. Our primary group is the main socialization agent for how we learn society. You probably guessed by now that our family and closest lifelong friends are our primary group. The primary group is a small, close-knit group where you have strong, personal, and long-lasting relationships. People you can really be yourself around, people who support you, with whom you share your deepest feelings. These relationships are not just about having fun. They shape who you are and your views on the world. Secondary groups, on the other hand, are just the opposite. They are groups with whom we have impersonal ties that are goal-orientated or have instrumental functions. We have short-term relationships with these people, and some of these people might become members of our primary group. For example, you can ask your dad how he met your mom. Secondary groups are larger, more formal, and are mostly about getting something specific done. Examples include your classmates in a college course, colleagues at your workplace, or even members of a club where you volunteer. The interactions here are less personal. They usually revolve around a specific purpose or goal. And you might be friendly with these people, but you probably don't share your personal life with them like you do with your primary group. Secondary groups emerged in modern societies when, during industrialization, people began spending most of their time with strangers outside of the family and community setting. So why is this important? Understanding these different types of groups can help us understand why we feel differently in different social settings. It helps us understand why we might feel really comfortable and relaxed at a small family gathering, but more formal or even a bit stressed in a big meeting at work. Recognizing the role these groups play in our lives can help us manage our relationships better. For example, knowing you need more support and close interaction, you might decide to spend more time with your primary group. Or if you're looking to expand your professional network or skills, you might engage more with your secondary groups. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.